want to talk about impact, look at Russia in the 1990s. It was a bankrupt, humiliated, failed state. Oligarchs looted their country, the military was in shambles, and the West pushed it around. Then around came Putin. He took control. He did what had to be done. He held the oligarchs accountable. He restored order. He stopped the chaos. And these are the results. Look at the results. Number one, he saved the economy from a basket case to a global energy power. He lifted millions from poverty. Basically what I'm saying. Number two, he rebuilt the military by making it modern and strong. Now when Russia speaks, the world has to listen, of course. He restored national pride by giving back Russia its identity. No more taking orders from anybody. Matter of fact. And love him or hate him, you have to respect the results. He took the nation on its knees and made it a global power again. He reshaped Russia's destiny, period. And that's what I call not just leadership, but historical greatness.